Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking at graphene, which is a material so thin that a sheet weighing 1 ounce covers up to 7 football fields. So this is sort of a comparison we can do. We can say 1 ounce can cover 7 fields. And we're told that a football field has an area of 1 1/3 acres. 1 1/3 is just equal to 4/3, which is going to be an easier number to work with. So if we say we're going to multiply this value, right, which is something that might not even make sense right now, 1 ounce and 7 football fields. We're going to multiply whatever this means by 1 field over 4/3 acres. What is this doing? We're multiplying whatever this is by 1. How is this 1? Well, 1 field is equal to 4/3 acres. So this is kind of like taking 6 and multiplying it by 4/4. 4/4 is 1. So when you multiply 6 times this, your answer is just going to be 6, since 6 times 1 is 6. Multiplying by 1 doesn't change the value, so multiplying by this isn't going to change the value. What it is going to do is it's going to allow those units to cancel, and now we have the units of acres in here. So this is our rate of ounces of graphene per acre. And now we want to know how many acres could 48 ounces of graphene cover. We just multiply this whole thing by 48 ounces. And we get 1 ounce over 7 times 4/3. 7 times 4 is 28 over 3 acres. And this we want to multiply by 48 ounces. So, multiplying these two things is not going to be a pretty solution. But we knew from the beginning, we're dealing with this value. 1 ounce over 7 fields is the same. 1 ounce can cover up to 7 fields, so this is something divided by itself, so this is 1. Times 1 field over 4/3 acres. This is equal to 1. So 1 ounce is equal to 28 over 3 acres. So this whole thing is 1, and therefore 28 over 3 acres divided by 1 ounce would also be 1, right? Since this is equal to this, doesn't matter which one you put on the numerator and the denominator, 4/4 is equal to 4/4. Just because I switched this 4 and put it up here and put that one down there doesn't actually change anything. We're multiplying by 48 ounces. Why did I flip this? Because now the ounces cancel, and we get 28 over 3 times 48 acres. Okay, and what is this? Well, 48 divided by 3 is 16. So we have 28 times 16, which if you put it into your calculator, it's going to give you 448 acres. So how many acres could 48 ounces of graphene cover? 448 acres, which is really close to this, and it says about, so our answer is going to be C. 450 is about how many acres 48 ounces of graphene could cover. So your final answer is going to be C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.